there are music pitches. Okay. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got this. Next 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got it. Again 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. This is the last pair. So 1, 2, 3 over. Now the last one 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be some changes there. Something will be. So that is always the fourth pair. So keep it quiet. Column, para, whatever you keep it interesting. One column has one wheel has one column has 8 wheels, one pattern, one pattern. So the third pattern again the same. The fourth pattern when it happens after 1, 2, 3, 4, there will be something else. So here in this present, it's the same thing. The wheel is going. The fourth pattern there is one. But there are some other musics. What happens is like after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 8 will be something else. Something like that. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand what I'm saying? After first 8 counts will be same. Second 8 counts, 8 count will be something else. It will be a violin, or it may be a drum, or and then 8 counts goes and next 8 goes. So figure it out. Now I'll play this song. Listen to it. So because why I'm explaining you this, you guys don't know when to start and how. When the music is going on, no, you are like, okay, can we start now? Okay, start now. Because you will no, it's not like that. You should wait for the pattern. You can actually start for the first count, or the second pattern first count, or the third pattern first count, or the fourth pattern first count. Usually, we all will wait for the fourth pattern complete and start from the new one. You understand after that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are here, you can start still. 8, 1, 2, up. Okay, you can start like this. We keep it like this. After 16th count, you can start, or after next 16th count, you can start. So it's all like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. 2, 3, 4. Or else, continue that. Let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You understand what I'm talking about? Yeah? There are 4 columns. One has 8, 8, 8, 8. You can start before this, or you can start after the second one. Or you can if you in the third count column wait, let the fourth one get over after that.
Can you use it to pick any language?
Yeah. Pattern is followed, but that's what I'm saying. Pattern, this is what follows, okay? When it comes to Western music, so keep it this way, like every time it follows, I'll tell you, this is advances there, I'll play the music and then I'll tell you why it is changed. So that's what I'm saying. There are some music like goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You understand what I'm trying to say? So first column there was something else for 8 on. Second column there was something else for 8 on. Third column there is something else for 8 on. Fourth column there is something else for 8 on. But same thing repeats again. You understand what I'm talking about? Yeah. So you see the breaking, the battles and all. They don't know which song is going, but they'll keep the break. Have you seen it? Because first 8 counts they just walk around and listen to the music and understand the pattern. Okay, this is yours. 8 count, there's one cheat, there's one scratch, there's one something. So they're like, okay, then they automatically go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Freeze. You understand? I mean, whenever you see the pattern, you should be worrying now. How come they don't beats? How come exactly they're doing how many songs they can listen? You understand what I'm trying to explain? It's not about the it's about the pattern. Okay? So it's like, if I'll explain you this in the videos only, I think next I'll start with breaking because they are also very interested on breaking. So we'll start with breaking. Okay? And yeah, so listen to this now. Now you listen to it, I think you will have a better version, a better idea. Then after that, see there will be a slight change. Nothing else. For example, lyrics may start or lyrics may stop. All this will happen after this program. For example, there will be a very music like boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba, and the lyrics will start only after the 8th count. It may be first block, it may be second block, it may be third block, it may be fourth block. Understand? That usually lyrics don't start like 1, 2 lyrics will not start. But there is something. It actually happens like that. And one, we go for and one. I think very good. Did we do anything for and one? You guys? Okay. Very good and one. Okay, you'll understand it later. That is the next level of personality understanding. You understand where to start? Yeah? See, that's what happens when you go for battle. You'll be like, two people walk around, they don't even say 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, they start together. Have you ever thought about it? You should always see that. You should always see that. When I go there, I feel more so, yeah, see, it's not like you go there and say, okay, 5, 6, 7, right? You know. See, whereas 6 o'clock, sorry, 5:30, 6 o'clock, when I say, I'll be like, okay, you do now, I don't say 5, 6, 7. They know when to do it. They got so used to it. You understand? I'll be like, I tell music, okay, go for it. I just say, go for it. They know when will that 5, 6, 7 goes dance. They are so much used to it. So it's not like you should go and like, okay, we're ready, 5, 6, 7, you should not say that. You know, you're very confident, you know when the beats and you're like that. Like, I know. Go. You should go like that. Getting it? You understand? So, whenever I ask you next time, no coming with 5, 6, 7, 8. No coming with more than, okay, with 5, 6, 7, 8. More. It will be very challenging, the initial thing, but that will become very easy. See, when you are there is no beat, okay? If you want to do a beat. After 8 count, there is nothing changes. You understand? If there is no beat, if I want to count the rhythm, now, after 8 count, there is something changes. There's a basic change. Second set over. Now, basic changes. Changes. You understand how the graph is going I'm trying to say. There was a music start. Something started. That was 16 sounds. And then next day it got. Remember what we are counting the last fourth count? That is happening on the fourth block of 16th count. Here, a small change is happening after every 8. Sorry, after every 16. So it was music change. I asked you about the music change. So it was like was there and then and then the bass will start after this. You understood? You understand what I'm trying to explain? So see now we will listen to the song in the way I explained it now. There may be a drop, there may be a beat high, there may be anything of this that happens at that. Attack it. Yes, sir. Yes. Now this one I will in the next class. I come up with a word with this song and just search for it. Some of the songs which I used to listen to. Yeah, I get those songs for you. That will make you guys understand the phone. So you should also explain, okay? Okay, I'll give you the same song, okay? You should tell me what are the beats we can catch? See, one thing is this. When that is happening, is there anything I can catch? Only when this is happening. Listen, only when it is happening now. We all are catching the beat. What is other thing you can do? This is good. So here, that's what I mean to say. It should look like when you're dancing or the beats are going, you can make it visible. You will make the beats visible for the audience. So when you're dancing, I just do it. If I do that, you understand what is happening. You understand what I'm trying to say? The same music, we have heard it so many times, we never focused on that. You're getting it? Yeah, I'll play it. I'll see it. Look at this. You understand me? It's like so much of confusion. Yeah? Yeah? So see, I'll just play. There are most fun songs I know that is the question. Do this. You need to figure out the songs like this. You're going to come and play the song. This is a very good exercise. Okay, only 10 minutes you can do this. Everyone will get 2 songs on one side. Okay, you choose play the song. Okay, you need to ask everyone to show the piece and how they can do. They can just do by doing this. Like what I did. I was just catching that beat. I'm not doing this step. You all can do it. No? They can do it. I can do it. I can do that. Correct? No? So like that, everyone should catch. If not, if you will see how your creativity works and how you are getting it? This is the next class. Thank you so much. Bye.